Well, good morning, anybody and everybody. I went to use my skill 3386, and it sounded like it disintegrated, fell apart, and I thought the band broke. But what happened was these rubber tires that were originally on it disintegrated. One of them did. You can see it's all falling apart. You can just pull it apart. And when the band disintegrated and fell off, of course, the band, so I should call it the band wheel tire. When the rubber tire came apart, then of course the band fell off. So I was looking around for new rubber tires, and I found, I don't know if you could see that, the Bandsaw Tire Warehouse, Blue Max Urethane bandsaw tires. And they said that if this saw is kept in freezing temperatures or not in a heated workshop, the tires will disintegrate. And so they did. And this is what it looks like with the new tires on. They really seem like a lot tougher, nicer tire. When you get them, they're rather small and rather difficult to stretch on. And the instructions that come with it say to soak it in hot water. And it comes with this nice tool to help put the tire on. And then after you put the tire on, you want to go around it a few times. Of course, the tool's in between the tire and the band wheel. So you equalize the stress all the way around, because it tends to be maybe tighter at the last end and looser, less stress where you begin to put it on. But they said to soak this in hot water, and then of course use this tool and like a C-clamp and a block of wood so you don't damage the rubber tire and put it on. But what I found that worked easier, is to get a number of these tie straps. You can just use a small tie strap, and then where you start, put the tie strap on and tighten it up. And then I put a few more just looser, so when I'm stretching it on and putting this band on, I can tighten those tie straps. Because you can make a little progress, but if you try to make any more progress putting the rubber tire on the wheel, then it pops off. But if you tie strap that every maybe 4 inches, it's much easier to put on. Also, it's much easier to put on if you take the band wheel off. The bottom one comes off easy with the C-clip and just slid off. The top one, you can take the C-clamp off, but at least on this one, was really stuck on the shaft. So I had to remove the one bolt that goes through here to hold it on like that. And then that made it a lot easier to put on. I think it'd be next to impossible to put on if you didn't take the wheels off. Maybe a year from now, I'll make a video on how these wheels held up. But right now, it's looking good. Thanks for watching.